Hello, my name is Maria Camila Parra. I am a student of zootechnics. I belong to the group 140 and I going to realize the practice from the unity 1.1 and 1.2. Practice 10. Make the following single sentence. Plural using noun as unchanging. The singular verb to plural unchanging. That to those and this to this. Note, in English we never use plural adjectives. I point it the red car singular, the red cars plural. Example: the house is big, those houses are big. 1. This cat is friendly, those cats are friendly. 2. This exercise is difficult. These exercises are difficult. 3. That here is attractive. Those deer are attractive. 4. That car is beautiful. Those cars are beautiful. 5. That window is open. Those windows are open. Pronunciation: minimal pairs with and I. Ear, will. Pear, pear. Shape, shape. Meal, meal. Lip, lip. Cheeks, checks. Set, sit. Green, green. Practice 8. Drag and drop. I never wear my pajama to school 100%. I always go to work on weekdays 0%. I really go to the movies on Saturday morning 25%. I sometimes visit my grandmother on Sundays 75%. Practice 9. Fill in the blank. Look at the picture and select the appropriate word from the list. Peter really eats spaghetti. We always go to work on Monday. Bill and Mary never play tennis. Daniel and Susie sometimes go to church on Sunday. Practice 11. Listen and repeat the following constructive sound. Back, bob. Bang, bone. Cat, hood. Cap, cop. Hat, hot.